Do you face problems pronouncing words that have silent letters in them? I do. As a learner of English, I struggled a lot. I wish there was a quick solution. This video is only meant for you if you're struggling with the pronunciation of those words. In today's lesson, we will talk about silent letter words. Words that have silent letters in them, or letters that are silent in them, and we should not pronounce them. So in today's lesson, we'll look at 110 such words. We'll look at letters that are silent, and these letters are going to be list of words with B as silent, C as silent, D, G, H, K, P, N, T, U, and W. So are you ready? Let's hit the show. The first list is silent B. So I have 10 words in front of us where the B is silent. I'm going to pronounce it. You have to repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's get going together. Bomb. Please repeat after me. Bomb. Climb. So many people say climb, bomb. That's wrong English. We don't say climb or bomb. We say bomb, climb, com. You just stop at M. Com. Doubt. Debt. Please keep repeating. Lamb. Limb. Plumber. We don't say plumber or plumber. That's wrong, I'm afraid. It is with the silent B. We say plumber. What is it? Plumber. Next, thumb. What is it? Thumb. And finally, womb. Not womb. It is womb. What is it? One more time. Please repeat after me. Womb. So these are all such words with silent B. Pause the video, say all of these words with the silent B once again. Let us now move to the second list, silent C, where the C is silent. Please repeat after me. In this particular word, very, very confused word, C is silent. We don't say conscious or conscious. We say conscious. Please repeat after me. Conscious. Conscience. Conscience. This word is very different from the first one. First one is conscious. Second one is conscience. What is it? Conscience. Next one is assent. C is silent. Assent. What is the next one? Luminescence. Luminescence. Miscellaneous. Miscellaneous. Muscle. Please keep repeating after me. Muscle. Scenario. Scenario. Scissors. Just another tip, this S will be pronounced as Z. So please repeat after me. Scissors. Scissors. Absence. Absence. So the C is being pronounced as S here. It's not the S sound. Absence. Discipline. C silent again. Discipline. If you go back to the second last one, a lot of people may as well say that it is Pradhan, we are pronouncing the S, we are saying absence. But we are talking about C here as the pronunciation of K, which is missing here. So it is not the K here, it is S. So phonetically, it's going to be absence, not absence, absenk. I'm afraid it's not absenk, it is absence. So C not being referred to as K. The next one in the list is silent D, words with the silent D. Please repeat after me. Badge, edge, handsome. A lot of people say handsome. Handsome would be wrong, I'm afraid. It is handsome. What is it? Handsome. Hedge. Hedge. Next one is so predominantly confused. We don't say sandwich. We say sandwich. What do we say? Sandwich. Wedge. Make your lips like a pout. Wedge. Wednesdays. How many people say this word, pronounce this word as Wednesday? Not Wednesday, it is Wednesday. What is it? D silent, Wednesday. Handkerchief. Handkerchief. Not handkerchief, it is handkerchief. What is it? Handkerchief. Pledge. And finally, grudge. Please repeat after me. Grudge. Pause the video and say all of these words, please. The next list is related to silent G, being pronounced as G. Please repeat after me. A line. A sign. When I say the word, keep repeating the word after me. Design. Champagne. Design, repeat it twice. Design once again. Foreign. Nash. We don't say ganache, we say nash. Very important one. Rain. What is it? Rain. Sign. One more time. Sign. And the last one is gnat. Once again, gnat. This was silent G and silent D. Pause the video. Use the complete slide to pronounce the silent D and G words. The next one in the list is silent H. Ache. Not ache. It is ache. Anchor. Architect. Architect. Chaos. Please repeat. Chaos. This one is very important. Not choir. It is choir. What is it? Choir. Once again, please repeat after me. Choir. Chord. Chorus. Chorus. Echo. Echo. Monarch. Monarch. Orchestra. 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 So this was silent H. Let us now look at silent K. When I say the word as I say, this video is meant for you. You will only take benefit of this video once you start repeating it after we're done. So please repeat after me. Knock. Knock. So the first K is silent here. Knee. New. Knife. Very basic words that we keep on using in daily life. Knowledge. Knapsack. Knapsack. Night. Night. Knickers. Knickers. Knit. Knit. And finally, the silent K word is knob. It's not knob, it is knob. A lot of people may as well say, why not we also talk about the rules why they are silent? Sometimes there's no rule. Sometimes it is phonetically the pronunciation of the word, but sometimes there are fundamental rules. And for more such videos, we're going to create more such content and get back to you with the rules as well. But for now, we're talking about a random list that we should be aware of. 110 words. The next list is silent N. We don't say autumn, we say autumn. What is it? Autumn. Column. Condemn. 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 Dam. Dam. Hymn. Hymn. Solemn. Solemn. Government. Not government. It is government. Contemn. Contemn. Limb. Limb. Semicolon. Semicolon. All the words with the silent N in them. Now we're going to be looking at silent P. Psychology. A lot of people say psychology. I'm afraid that'll be psychology. One more time. Psychology. Pneumonia. Not pneumonia. It is pneumonia. What is it? Pneumonia. Pseudo. Pseudo. Psychiatrist or psychiatrist. Both are right. Psychiatrist or psychiatrist. Psychiatry or psychiatry. Whichever you prefer, you can use that pronunciation. Psychiatry. Psychotic. Once again, psychotic. Receipt. Lot of people, very common word. Lot of people say receipt. I'm afraid no. P is silent here. One more time. Receipt. Raspberry. Not raspberry. It is raspberry. Cupboard. Not cupboard. It is cupboard. One more time. Please repeat after me. Cupboard. And what is the last one? Coup. What is it? Once again. Coup. Let's quickly move to the next one in the list. The next one is silent T. Please repeat after me. Bristle. Bustle. Butcher. Keep repeating. Butcher. Castle. Fasten. You must have heard. Fasten the seatbelts. It's not fasten. It is fasten. What is it? Fasten. Listen. Moisten. Mortgage. Mortgage. Nestle. And finally, rustle. The last list is, not the last, second last, silent U. Please repeat after me. Do we say guest or guest? Guest. Guard. Guitar. Guilty. Guide. Catalog. Colleague. Keep repeating. League. Rogue. And tongue. This was silent T and U. Pause the video and pronounce all these words loudly and clearly. The next one is silent W, and this is the last one in the list. Here we go. Please repeat after me. Wrangle. Wrangle means an argument. Rap. Rap. Wrecked. One important tip. This ED here is pronounced as T. So please repeat after me. Wrecked. Wrecked. Wriggle. Wriggle. Ring. Not that ring. Ring. Answer. A lot of people say answer, not answer or answer. It is answer. What is it? Please repeat after me. Answer. Sword. Very commonly mispronounced. Not sword. It is sword. I'll just write the pronunciation here. It is sword. Please repeat after me. Sword. Toward. Not toward. It's toward. Toward. One more time. Toward. Or towards. When you say towards, you add S. To. And finally, wrench. What is it? Wrench. So this finishes a total of 110 words in total that we have pronounced in the last 10 to 12 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, try to make use of this video once again to remove all the misconceptions related to the silent letters that we have so far. I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care.